Congratulations on the purchase of your new Torque travel trailer. I'm going to walk you around and show you some of the basics on your new Torque travel trailer. This is your power front tongue jack. You can see there's an on and off. That's simply for the light. This retracts and extends the power tongue jack. You've got dual 30-pound propane tanks with an automatic changeover valve. That valve is located back here. Whichever direction this black piece is pointed is the direction that the propane tank or the propane is flowing from the tank. Righty tighty closes the tanks, lefty loosey opens the tanks. We've got a new deep cycle battery on the front here for you. It's prepped and designed for a generator. If you decide you ever want to add a generator, this is actually a solar connection for you. Your fast recovery hot water heater is located right here. That is controlled from the inside of the camper. There is an anode rod that you periodically will want to replace. This is your fresh water fill where you fill the tanks from. An exterior spray port, black tank flush. This simply flushes your black tank so that you can get any residue or sediment out of the tank. 50 amp, 25-foot power cord is located right there. Your city water connection, cable and satellite connections, and your furnace exhaust. You want to keep the little ones away from the furnace exhaust. In regards to your tires, you want to check those lug nuts every couple hundred miles when you first get the camper, just to make sure that nothing comes loose. You've got two valves located under here. The 3-inch valve is your waste tank, 1.5 inch is your gray tank. What you want to do is open up your waste tank first, then follow it with the gray tank to flush it out. This access panel is for the refrigerator. Not something you typically have to get into. There is a plug on the inside of the access panel that sometimes can become loose, and that is a 110 plug for your refrigerator. So if all of a sudden your power quits working, you might want to check that. Your fuel reserves for your fuel tank. Your dispensing nozzle is located on the other side. These are what are called ram airs. You squeeze these from the inside, push them forward, and they allow fresh air into the camper. To simply let your ladder down, you pull these pins, pull forward on the ladder. To open up the exterior doors, simply flip up these catches, push the locks forward, swing it away, and the door will come down in a horizontal position if the cables are attached. If the cables are not attached, it'll come down to the ground, which allows you to load your various items. Okay, you guys, this button over here is your power jack, excuse me. They allow your jacks to deploy from underneath. Your dispensing nozzle is located behind that door. Your power awning. We're going to go up to the front here for a quick sec, just to show your battery disconnect. You do want to make sure that is turned in the on position to be able to operate your various appliances from the inside of the camper. Your crank handles for your slide, and manual operation of your jacks if they were to fail. Sewer hose and electrical adapters come with it. Okay, guys, this is your main control panel. This is where everything happens. When we want to turn our lights on from the interior of the camper, we'll hit these interior light switches, front end cap, main cabin, up above, water heater for your LP, and your water pump for your on-demand pump. This should tell you the condition of your battery and your various tanks. To slide your slide outs in and out, you simply push this in or out depending on what the operation is you're looking for. This extends your awning or retracts your awning. This box down here is your breaker panel box. The breakers are all your 110. The 12 volt is for your lighting and fuses, for everything that's 12 volt. This is your carbon monoxide detector right there. Your keys are around your faucet. When you go to operate your stove, real simple. We're going to fold back this cover. And what we're going to do is use this spark igniter. We turn it to the little flame where it turns red. We twist and it ignites. Shuts them off. If you want to backlight them, real simple. We go to operate your refrigerator. It's an automatic refrigerator. You'll see the controls right up here. When you're plugged in, it's going to go to the most convenient power source. When you're not, it's going to go to gas. It'll switch over automatically. Turn it on. You simply push the button. You'll notice it checks. It detects there's gas in line, kicks the gas on, and goes to the auto function. If we were plugged in, it would go to the electricity, which is considered to be the most convenient power source. And it has an automatic temperature control. This is the operation of the directions as well. We've got a patio back there. When you go to want to put these beds down, if you want both to come down at the same time, you're going to want to pull those pins, which are located in all four corners. This simply allows the bed to fold against the side. Your back patio system, pretty self-explanatory. There is your power cord, as well as your table legs. Thermostat is a very simple operation. Hit the power button to power it on. Auto. Toggle through that for air conditioner. Up and down controls the temperature settings. Hit it again to have the heat kick on. And one more time to shut the power off. This is your switch for your beds to be powered up and down. The ram air that we talked about on the outside, you simply squeeze and force it forward. You guys, this is a ground fault outlet. It does have its own breaker on it. You have to push that breaker to reset it if it's not green. So if all of a sudden you lose 110 power, you'll want to double check that. You guys, I hope you enjoy your new RV. We do appreciate your business, and have fun camping.